Right, I'm just going to glue up this T-piece here. I won't be with you in a minute. Anyway, you know what I mean. It's a pain, isn't it, trying to glue up with clamping blocks dropping out all over the place. It's a definite three-handed job. Well, I've come up with a little solution to that, which is these. You just put them on the ends of your clamps like that. And away you go. And the way it works is basically we're using a little 8mm rare earth magnet, and I've made up a small piece of MDF, drilled a hole for the magnet, and then stuck a piece of leather over the top. You could use cork or rubber or whatever, and I've used PU for gluing it on. And there you are, you've got a magnetic sash cramp magnet. It can also be used on G-clamps. And the other nice thing about it is you can keep the clamps somewhere safe, because they're magnetic. They'll stick to any metal cabinet. You could even stick them on your fridge if you want. I hope that little tip helps anyway.